Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you one crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers, wine crafts have a nature wooden look, a soft texture and a warm color. This makes them perfect for home decoration. You can turn simple crock into flower, coaster, plant, wall art, decoration and many other creative projects. One crock flower decoration: collects our cleaned crock and arrange them in the shape of color pattern. Place one crock in the center and arrange other crock around it. You can keep the natural crock color or paint the flower in different color. Add a small stem made from wooden craft wire and you have a beautiful handmade flower. You can mix our crock flower, place them together in a vase. One crock mini planter and weavers. Frames. Crock are perfect for making a tiny planter for small plant. Carefully create a small space inside the crock and add a little soap. You can use tiny scatter or other small plant. These mini plants can be placed on a deck, shelf or window. They are small, cute, perfect for natural home decoration. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and